Making faces at myself in the mirror has been a secret habit of mine for years, and it's something I usually do when I first get up in the morning, or when I'm procrastinating, or when I'm just stressed out. It's, I guess, a way to alleviate stress or stop taking things so seriously. It's kind of like a facial dance in a way, like a weird, spontaneous performance, I guess. I've been an artist for 11 or 12 years and have been involved in the Niagara art scene in that time. I do a lot of painting usually. My work is generally surrealist in nature. I always try to make pieces that prompt more questions than they answer. I like strange things, I like funny things, I like things that make you question what you thought you knew. I've been involved with the Niagara Falls Night of Art for many years now. Every year it gives me the opportunity to try something different, try different ideas that I've had for years and finally get to see them come to fruition. One of the best things about the Night of Art is that there's always new and exciting installations. We have a lot of really talented artists in Niagara, and this is a great night that showcases their unique work. It's one of my favorite events every year, and I always look forward to it. It's a really great way to support local artists and allow them total creative freedom, which is really important when you're trying to be an independent artist. So come out to the Niagara Falls Night of Art. It's on Queen Street in Niagara Falls, September 17th to 20th. And you can come see me make weird faces and make fun of me and laugh at how weird I am.